Welcome traders to another Signal trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to take a look at just a couple of instruments here as we close out the week, specifically the dollar index and some synchronicity setting up with Bitcoin. So starting with the dollar index here, we have the weekly time frame on the right hand side and the daily on the left. On the weekly time frame versus the 100.25 low, we have the quality objective at 108.10. And interestingly, the second leg here, after having that initial advance and the pullback, is subdividing into what looks like a potential three drives push. And if we match the previous two drives to the upside in terms of both price and timescale as they've set up at the moment, that would put us directly into that 108, well, just above 108.20s. And note the timescale there. That would tie in with a move that should complete into the end of July. On the daily time frame, I think we still have a bit of back and forth here. We have a triangle setting up, but ultimately, like I say, I would anticipate now support on any push back into the 104s, bullish reversal patterns there, and you can set longs and target that 108.10, 108.20 into the back end of July. Now, if we go to Bitcoin, we'll see that we have the opposite setup, but interestingly, both time and price synchronize with what we're seeing in terms of the dollar index. So on a weekly time frame over here, we are looking at a downside equality objective versus the 72,000 swing high, which will take us down into just shy of 55,000. From there, obviously, we're watching for those bullish reversal patterns to engage on the long side. On the weekly time frame, the next upside target I have is an equality target at 83,000. So keep that one in mind. Moving to the daily time frame, if we look at the corrective pattern that's currently playing out versus that 72,000 swing, I say we're looking just shy of 55,000 on the downside. If we match that initial corrective leg in terms of time and price, so take us into the end of July. So that would synchronize with the dollar potentially putting in a corrective top on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin putting in a corrective low on the weekly time frame, and would then give us the opportunity to look at shorting dollar index above 108 and buying Bitcoin below 55,000 and targeting 83,000 on the upside. So that's something just to keep in mind. And what I would personally do is set alerts on both the time and price scale there for both the dollar index and Bitcoin, and we'll see if they tie up and give us the setup we're looking for. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan. Most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.